Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the laptop to power and switching to balanced or plugged-in mode so readings are stable. Next, open System Settings, Power and Battery on Windows or Energy Saver on Mac OS to view immediate stats. Make sure you have administrative access. Once done, you can run deeper diagnostics like Windows Power Cut or Mac OS System Report because these require permissions to show cycle counts and design capacity. Now run the platform-specific diagnostic. On Windows, open an elevated command prompt and run power/battery report to generate a detailed HTML file. On Mac OS, open System Information and check power, or option-click the battery icon for quick stats. Once you have the numbers, compare full charge capacity to the original design capacity and note the cycle count. This ratio shows current health and explains why runtime differs from new, lower capacity, means shorter battery life, despite the same percentage reading. Finish by interpreting the report. Calculate health percentage by dividing full charge capacity by design capacity and multiplying by 100 to see remaining battery life in practical terms. If health drops below about 80%, plan for replacement or perform calibration cycles to improve accuracy. If numbers look inconsistent, update OS and firmware, reset SMC or PRAM on Macs, and rerun diagnostics. These steps often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.